Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Kajal Agarwal enjoyed the honeymoon with zero expenses. One of the leading ladies of Telugu industry, Kajal Agarwal, recently got married to businessman Gautam Kichlu. These two lovebirds tied their nuptial knots on 30th October in a private ceremony attended only by their immediate family and close friends. After celebrating the Karwa Chauth here with her husband, Kajal and Gautam went for their honeymoon. The couple chose the exotic location of Maldives as their honeymoon destination. Kajal Agarwal made everyone envy with her when she shared some stunning pictures from her honeymoon. Their honeymoon looked nothing less than a fairy tale with the blue backdrop of Maldives. But recently a shocking news has come forward that the couple did not spend a single penny for their honeymoon. Well, we have the details that what has really been reported about Kajal and Gautam's honeymoon. The newlywed Kajal and Gautam stayed at the Muraka, the world's first underwater hotel that is situated 16 feet below the sea level in Indian Ocean. The couple shared some amazing photos of her underwater hotel room, and those images look surreal as fishes were swimming around. The tariff per night at the Muraka is $50,000, which sums up 38 lakhs Indian rupees approximately. Which means a 10-day stay at the Muraka would cost around 5 crores including food and sightseeing expenses. Now the latest reports are claiming that neither the actress nor her husband has spent a single penny. It is reported that the government of Maldives is keen towards promoting their country as a tourist spot. The government wanted to capture the Indian tourists too, which is why they have created an offer. According to reports, whoever has Instagram followers more than 2 million will give 5-star meals for free at the hotel they are staying. And if the count of the followers is more than 5 million, then that person will get free room stay, food and even 2 return tickets for free. Kajal Agarwal has more than 16 million followers on Instagram, and it is why Muraka offered her room, food and tickets for free. And in replacement, the Muraka wanted Kajal to share some amazing photos of all sites on her Instagram profile. These are just reports posted by a Mumbai media house. The actress has not yet confirmed it. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.